If your space is feeling cluttered, and it might be, and out of control, you are not alone. Today is our Chaos to Calm Organizational Challenge. We're helping one viewer turn her chaotic family and rec rooms into a calm and organized space. Actually, there's more than one space. In just, get this, because this is what we do on the show, 1 hour by the end of the show. Let's meet her.
Hi, Marilyn. We could really use your help with some professional organizing. As you can see, our living room area has turned into my son's play area, which is really not the intended purpose of this room. And now that we actually have a baby on the way, we're expecting in February, we know that it's going to be even harder with a whole bunch of other baby stuff. So we'd really like to organize before the baby comes. And first of all, reclaim this living room space and make our basement area a playroom for our son. So we can show you. The downstairs has turned into a big pile of toys and just a bunch of storage that really has no sense of organization. We had this beautiful coffee table upstairs in our living room area, but because he's taken over that area, we just put it down here, and I've just piled a whole bunch of stuff on top of it. I hope you can help us. We really need some organization in this house. Thank you so much. Say bye.
Bye.
And then we say hi. Please welcome Caroline. Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you. We're super excited.
I bet you are. What a sweet boy you have. Baby number 2 on the way in February. That's great news.
Yeah.
Well, help is on the way because we want to welcome professional organizer Michelle Delore. Hi, Michelle.
Hi, Marilyn. Hi, Caroline.
Well, I tell you, who's next to you there, Caroline? You want to introduce that fella?
Yeah, this is Mike, my husband. He's going to help as well with the
Mike.
challenge.
Oh, that's great. Well, you've already delivered some organizing solutions to Caroline's home. I know that, Michelle. Tell Caroline how you want her to organize her space. This is so relatable to not only parents, but grandparents too. Let me tell you.
It's true. I delivered some great items to Caroline to get her set up for this challenge, such as some clear containers, some soft bins and baskets with ready-made chalk labels, as well as a new storage unit, a toy and book storage as well. And we're going to make the basement the designated play area. That's what we're going to do. And then we're going to make the living room just have some of Ryan's most frequently used toys, but it'll be there when baby arrives and he can play while you're watching baby.
Oh, that's great. So I'll tell you this, Caroline, I know you got Mike there and you've got Michelle there too, because she's going to help you stay on track remotely, if that's okay with you.
Definitely. We could definitely use both of your help, and we can't wait to get started.
Okay, you know you only have until the end of the show to complete this project, right?
Right. So we definitely need to get started soon.
Well, you got Michelle, you got Mike, and I don't know where Ryan is, but he might help too. Okay, everybody, good to see everyone today. So let's get organized on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, get going.
Okay, Caroline,
All right.
You're going to get the books from the fireplace and move it to the basement.
All right. Let's start with the
And then, yes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to remove everything from the fireplace and gather the stuff as well from the basement, all of the toys from the basement, and gather it on the living room floor. So once everything's on the living room floor, you're going to want to sort items and place them into similar items. And as you're going through Ryan's things, put aside anything you don't need anymore. And if it's in good condition, you want to just donate it or pass it on to someone.
Okay, so that like little cars with little cars, that kind of thing, blocks with blocks. Is that what you mean, Michelle?
That's
right.
Exactly it. And those ready-made labels are a hint to help out.
Okay, good to know. Okay, you two are off to a great start. Michelle's going to be on track and keep them on track. It's so great to see that. Boy, I'm going to learn a lot from this one too. So we'll check in with you all a little later on in the show.
Shaboom. Oh, life could be a dream. So Stay on the safe side with blind spot warning. Technology that connects us. That's the redesigned 2020 Nissan Qashqai.
Welcome back to the show. We're challenging one of our viewers to transform her living and rec rooms from chaos to calm. Caroline is right there. She has until the end of the show to organize her toy pack spaces. Michael is behind her, working away. That's her husband. Baby number 2 is on its way in February. And helping her remotely is professional organizer Michelle Delory. Hey, Michelle, how do you think she's doing, Michelle?
She's doing great. I think everything is under control. She has her husband, Michael, helping out. They're off to a great start.
Caroline, how do you feel you're doing?
I think we're doing great. We brought a lot of the living room clutter downstairs. So now I'm just sorting and organizing with these great bins that Michelle gave us. So yeah, I think we're on our way.
So
Yeah,
that says trains. What other labels are on there? What other labels have you seen?
So we have a bin for his Legos. We have dinosaurs. He has a lot of toys, so we need a lot of bins.
Yeah. So what are some of the things that you said to Caroline that she needs to do, Michelle?
Yeah, so she's going to place those clear containers that are already labeled. She's going to place that into the new shelving unit that I have there for her in the basement. And she's also going to place these bins for Ryan's most used toys into that shelf unit as well. And then the fireplace, it's going to get some stuff back. It's going to get the baskets and bins that I set up for her. And yeah, she'll be having no more toys in the living room space. It's going to have no more carpet, and that coffee table is going to go back where it belongs.
Okay, I see what's happening. There's a play place and an adult place.
Yes.
And I love the fact that this shelving unit is the way it is, that it's very easy for him to access toys.
Yeah, I wanted to get him something that he could easily put all of the items into and take it out. And it's great to tidy back things into.
All right, everybody, keep working away. Thanks, Michelle. Keep at it, Caroline and Michael, and we'll see how it turns out.
Welcome to Ballroom. DJ, pump the beat. Are y'all ready to see a battle?
The goal is to be legendary, honey.
It's more than that. It's performance, art, and fashion.
It is one of the greatest American art forms.
Legendary. Kitty to cat, cat to cat, Joanne.
At the end of the show. Welcome back to the show. So we gave Caroline just 1 hour, because that's what we do on the show, until the end of the show to restore calm and order to her chaotic living and rec rooms. She's the one that admitted to that one. Professional organizer Michelle Delory sent Caroline stylish storage solutions ahead of time and helped Caroline organize her rooms remotely during the show with the help of her wonderful husband, Michael, because he was helping out too. Now it is time to see what Caroline did. Here's what Caroline's living room looked like before. We'll take a look at that. And you know, there's a lot of toys. What can I say? All those primary colors. Yep, definitely a kiddo lives there. Now, let's see it organized at this moment because she's been working so hard over the last hour. Here we go. Hey, Caroline, it looks fantastic. Oh my gosh, how fabulous. How did she do, Michelle?
She did amazing. Her and Michael, they were amazing. Yeah. They were great to work with.
That's so great. Talk us through this transformation.
Yeah, so I got them some really cool stylish bins from HomeSense that they used for the living room space. And as you can see, it's no longer the designated play space. So these items now are going to be just Ryan's most frequently used toys, but just some of them. And they're in those middle bins in the fireplace. The top bins is for items for baby, whatever that may be. And then there's a drone-up bin from IKEA at the other side of the fireplace. And that's for all of his cars that used to be all over the floor. And now he can play with them easily, tuck them back. It's all hidden. All the toys are out of sight. Everything has a home. I've used some gray chalk labels for them as well. So when Ryan grows up, you can change the categories of the items as well.
And I see that we reclaimed the coffee table and it's been put back upstairs.
Yes. Yeah, the coffee table is back.
Well done. Well done. It looks great, Michelle. What else did you want to add?
Yeah, I wanted to mention that I got an ottoman from HomeSense for them to use. It's a great multifunctional piece. And when you have unexpected guests, you can just throw that stuff that's all over the floor into that item. And when Ryan's even cuddling with his stuffies, he can throw it in there after he's done.
Now it's time to move to the basement. This is what it looked like before. You know, we got to take a look at the before shots when we do a makeover. Okay, that's a lot of stuff there. Can't deny that. Wow. Okay, let us see it now after all this organization in 1 hour. Whoa! That cannot be the same basement.
It is.
Well done. It is. Well, before you tell us what you did, Caroline, tell Michael he did a great job. That's awesome. You both worked really hard over this hour.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. But I'm sure you feel much lighter even in that space too, Caroline.
Yeah, like mentally too, it just feels so much better. We're so much more organized. Yeah, it's just a weight off our shoulders for sure.
For sure. Okay, so Michelle, let's talk about the play area in the corner. Let's start with that in the basement.
Yeah, so the basement is now the ultimate play space. I got them some Calyx units from IKEA. I actually use this at home for my own son. And they're great because you can store all of the toys, the games, puzzles, and even like the books into that unit. And I used some clear containers from IKEA as well. They're called the Samla boxes. And yeah, those are all the toys that Ryan has now. They're all placed in containers with labels. And it's easy for Ryan to see and tidy back when he needs to tidy up. And if he doesn't, mom and dad can help out as well. I also got them these really stylish wire baskets from HomeSense. And those are with like the oddly shaped stuff, like, you know, long musical instruments or some balls. It's easy for Ryan to throw that stuff into. And I also got him a cute little library. He can have all of his favorite books in there now too, to read from, and that's from the Home Depot. And also there's another toy organizer for some of the extra toys that come into the home once they have a baby. And that is from the Home Depot as well. And that'll make it easier for them to enjoy together once Orion has his future brother or sister. Yeah, so everything's organized,
by the way,
contained.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. And you did such a great job. You did it. You organized them remotely. They followed your lead. And there is a baby that's coming in February. And Michelle, you've got a child, and being the organizer that you are, sometimes, I don't know about you, but I would take some toys out and put them far away so he could play with the stuff and get, familiarized with that, and then switch it out. Do you do that?
Switch it up.
Yeah,
I do switch up things as well. And I suggest that too for the living room space, because eventually he's going to grow out of whatever he's playing right now. And then you're going to want to switch it up with whatever he's into now.
Oh, I love that. From chaos to calm. Michelle, thank you so much. Carolyn and Michael, enjoy your new spaces and take care of that little boy of yours, and all the best in February. Oh, it's so good to see everybody. We love the before and afters. That's our show for today, everybody, keeping you on track and hopefully from chaos to calm. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.